Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Dr. Vacu pulse oximeter. So when you get it, actually the instructions are given on the box. If you see, it says how to use. So take out the oximeter. Yes, you have to install the batteries, which I'll just show you. So what you need to do is open it up from the back. It opens up right there. There's a little sliding thing. It opens up, and take both your batteries. And obviously this is the positive, this is the negative, so just make sure you put in. Oh, that's a little misleading there. And once you install your batteries, lay this side on the screen. So you press the button, and there you, as you can see, it's come on. I'll just go ahead and remove this little tape. So it's now come on. I'll just bring this up closer so you guys can actually see it. Okay, so there you go. It's come on. It has a color display, and what you need to do is obviously you need to place your finger inside it. Okay, so I put my finger there. So as you can see, it's giving you a reading in real time. It says you have to wait for 30 seconds to find your result. So there you go, finally we managed to get a result. So as you can see, it's showing that I have 93% SpO2, and the other number is 74, which is BP beats per minute, BRB beats per minute, and there's a PI percentage, which is 3.4, and you can actually see the heart rate coming up over there. If you remove it, of course, it goes away. The product does come with a lanyard which you can attach. You just put it in the back, pull it through and tighten it. So there you go. Now that's attached. So there you have it, folks. That was how you actually set up and how you actually use your Dr. Vacu pulse oximeter. It's a fingertip pulse oximeter, and we hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.